Hi, good day everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Techrex in Amberhart. We are the LED display design manufacturer house. In front of us, this is a weight remote displays. This time is a bit different. We have 4 to 20mm weight remote display. Where you can see now is 0 kg. The size of the panel is 690mm for the width, and the height of the display is 210mm, and the character size is 110mm. So let's start our demonstration today. Now we can see it's 4mm, is 0 kg. So let's turn to 12mm. That means it's the middle of 4 to 20. So it's supposed to be 500 kg. But sometimes there's some tolerance on the analog signal. So now it's showing 497. So let's put on the 20mm. So this is 20mm. It's about 990 something usually. Okay, now it's 998. So this is how it looks like. For the connection, we press and hold the setting button one. This is the maximum point. So let's say I want to set the maximum point. So I can set 4. That means at the middle is 2222. So press and hold again. This is the low button. Low button, that means it's 4 milliamp. 0 equals to 4 milliamp. Just now it's 20 milliamp. It's a low point. Press and hold again. Come out. So this is 442 when it's maximum. That's why sometimes analog base has some tolerances there. So let's go to the 12 milliamp. That means it should be shown 2222. So if you want more accurate, you can use RH232. But sometimes in the factory, we use 4 to 20 milliamp to do the calibration. So this is 2222. So let's go down. If let's say go to 4, it should be shown 0. So the refresh time can be set also. This is how it looks like. If you like my video, help us like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.